Artificial intelligence is everywhere. In your phone, in your home, and soon, maybe even in your body. It helps us write, draw, talk, and think faster than ever before. It promises to solve our biggest problems, from curing diseases to fighting climate change. But behind all the excitement and progress, there's another story, a quieter one that most people aren't talking about. Because while AI is making our lives easier, it's also introducing new dangers, some visible, some hidden. And the truth is, we're still learning how to live with a technology that's learning us faster than we can keep up. This is the dark side of AI. And today, we're pulling back the curtain to see what's really happening behind the algorithms. 1. The promise that blinds us. Every new technology in history has come with promises of progress. Electricity, cars, the internet, all changed the world for the better. But each also came with consequences we didn't expect. AI is no different. At first glance, it seems like pure good, faster work, smarter tools, and endless creativity. AI can write essays, make music, design buildings, and even predict diseases. But as we rely on it more each day, it's easy to forget something important. AI doesn't understand right or wrong. It just does what it's told. And sometimes what it's told to do can lead to harm. The danger begins when humans start trusting AI more than their own judgment. When we let algorithms decide what to believe, who to trust, and what to buy, we slowly give away a piece of our freedom without even noticing. AI doesn't just process data, it shapes decisions. And when a system can quietly influence millions of people at once, it becomes one of the most powerful tools in the world. 2. The invisible hand behind the screen. Every time you open your favorite app, scroll your feed, or click a video, an AI system is watching, learning, and adapting. It learns what makes you stay, what makes you angry, and what keeps you coming back. These systems were built to keep your attention because attention means money. But over time, they've become something more. They've learned how to manipulate emotions. The videos you see, the posts you read, even the ads you get, they're not random. They're chosen specifically for you by algorithms designed to predict your behavior. This kind of AI doesn't need to lie. It just needs to show you the right thing at the right moment. And that's the quiet danger. It shapes your world without you even realizing it. Your opinions, your choices, your sense of what's normal, all gently guided by invisible code. In a way, we've all become part of an experiment that never ends. The AI learns from us, and then we, in turn, learn from it. And as it gets smarter, the line between what we think and what it wants us to think becomes harder to see. 3. Bias, the hidden problem in the machine. People like to think that AI is neutral, that because it's made of data and math, it must be fair. But AI is only as unbiased as the data it's trained on, and that's where the problem begins. When AI learns from the internet, from billions of posts, videos, and articles, it also learns our mistakes, our prejudices, and our flaws. If an hiring AI is trained on data from companies that mostly hired men, it may quietly prefer male candidates. If an image recognition system is trained mostly on light-skinned faces, it may fail to identify darker ones correctly. This kind of bias isn't intentional. It's invisible, buried deep inside the model. But when AI systems are used in areas like policing, job recruitment, or finance, these small biases can ruin lives. Imagine an algorithm deciding whether you get a job, a loan, or even a chance at parole, and it's biased without anyone realizing it. That's not science fiction. That's already happening. Governments and tech companies are trying to fix these biases, but it's not easy because bias isn't just in the data, it's in the world the data comes from. And as long as humans are imperfect, our AI will be too. 4. Deep misinformation, when AI becomes a liar. One of the scariest developments in AI today is its ability to create false realities. We've entered an era where videos, voices, and photos can be generated by machines, and they look real. These are called deep fakes, and they're not just entertainment. They're tools that can destroy trust itself. A deepfake can make a politician appear to say things they never said, or place someone in a situation that never happened. In the wrong hands, these tools can spread lies faster than truth can catch up. Even text-based AIs, like chatbots, can unintentionally generate false information with confidence. They don't know what's true or false, they just predict what sounds right. That means they can spread misinformation at scale, not out of malice, but because they simply don't know any better. In a world already struggling with fake news and online manipulation, AI adds a new layer of confusion. When we can no longer tell what's real, truth itself starts to lose value. 6. The manipulation problem. Misinformation is bad, but manipulation is worse, because the same technology that can create fake videos can also create fake people. AI can now generate entire social media accounts, complete with realistic photos, posts, and comments that aren't run by humans at all. These AI-generated accounts can flood the internet, promote agendas, influence elections, or even shape public opinion, all without anyone noticing. It's already happening in small ways. AI bots have been caught spreading propaganda, advertising scams, and even faking grassroots political movements. In the future, this might not just be about text or posts. It could be AI-generated influencers, videos, and voices so real that they blur the line between truth and simulation. And when that happens, our ability to agree on reality itself could break. And when society can't agree on what's real, it becomes easy for anyone with the right technology to control what people believe. 5. Dependency and the loss of thinking. There's another dark side to AI, one that's quieter but just as serious. As AI becomes better at writing, creating, and solving problems, we're starting to depend on it more. We use it to finish our homework, plan our trips, write our code, even make decisions about what to eat or buy. But the more we outsource thinking to machines, the less we practice thinking ourselves. AI makes life convenient, but it also makes us comfortable, maybe too comfortable. Over time, people might stop learning certain skills altogether because they don't need them anymore. It's like relying on GPS so much that we forget how to read a map. Except this time, it's not just navigation, it's reasoning, creativity, and self-reliance. The danger isn't that AI will replace humans, it's that humans will slowly stop being human, stop questioning, stop imagining, stop struggling to understand. And that's where our greatest strength has always come from. AI is changing the world, that much is clear. But in its shadow, new dangers are growing, subtle, quiet, and deeply human. In the next part, we'll explore how AI is being used to watch us,
control us, and reshape entire economies, and why it might already be too late. If you've made it this far, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for Part 2, Surveillance, Deepfakes, and the AI Economy.